Speaker sir, I just want to know from the Chief Minister, what is the stand of the government, whether the government is considering that there is pollution or not, and if there is pollution, what are the steps government is going to take to see that the people are protected?
For your information, the Pollution Board Goa has already reduced capacity of these berths, existing berths, by 25%. I have told MPT to stop importing powder, all material which is powdery in nature, because the current position is we were monitoring it from February to May, and the report indicates that in the residential area, particularly the Kharivara area, minor pollution is observed. In other residential area, it is good. The pollution levels are very low. But in Kharivari area, there was minor pollution. And therefore, we have reduced the current capacity itself by 25%. We are prosecuting those who are exceeding capacities. That prosecuting procedure has already initiated. And I can assure you that we won't tolerate pollution.
I want to know from the government, from the government, whether you will say that it is the central government, whether you have returned to the central government, like previously was written, that there is objection. Have you returned to the Environment Ministry? Because tomorrow Pollution Control Board has brought it to the notice of the government. Government has to bring it to the notice of the Environment Ministry. Environment Ministry has to come back to coal, come back to the Port Trust. So all this process, government, whether government has written or government has not written, I would like to know.
That the value of PM10, means particle, exceeds the permissible limits of the ambient air quality. All the reports and observations were placed before board, and board has taken decision to reduce the existing capacity. नाका नाही, या ऐक, ऍक्शन कितें घेतला ते बसता बसतानी उहेल्यो मारतात मागीर.
बरें, तापता कितें रे तशें?
तापता म्हणजे कितें ऍक्शन घेतला ते लोकांपर्यंत पावपाक नाका, कॉल अप करून बोवाळ मारपाचो.
प्रश्न विचारला ते उत्तर ऐकत.
The Pollution Control Board has already given direction to reduce the existing capacity by 25%. Forget about future capacity. The existing capacities have been reduced by 25%. On 12/7, we have already written to them. I will write before 31st a letter to Ministry of Environment and Forest, saying that this is polluting the state and therefore this project should not be considered, along with the copies as detailed by the Pollution Control Board.
Speaker, sir, if the present situation cannot be controlled, I don't know what will happen when the quantum of coal to be processed is increased. Therefore, I would request the Honorable Chief Minister to first ensure that NPT is able to handle the present quantum of coal with pollution levels below the permissible levels, and accordingly then maybe, I'm not very sure, but it's very difficult, I think.
Yes. Very important what she has raised. In fact, what I was replying was the same thing, but in a different pockets. So I will just make it clear. We have already pointed out to the Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change that this is a polluting, the two berths which have been given are polluting. These people have not invested money in controlling the pollution. If they are smart, they should have put up the dome right in advance. सो वास्कोकारांक जे पळय माती येता, कोळसो येता काळो, अशें तोंडार हात भोंवडायलो धरतलो जाल्यार हांगाशी ते आमचे अमेरिकन इंडियन लोक आहा तांकां पळय ते मार्कींग आसता तशें जाता, बोटां सगळीं काळी येता. आय नो दॅट. सो आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू अलाव इट. आवर डायरेक्शन्स आर व्हेरी क्लियर. Pollution control is an independent body. Still, we don't want pollution. They have to take steps. So they have reduced it by 25% already. I am going to monitor it. So current one, if they can't manage, how can they expand? Logically, it is very clear. And therefore, if these people really want to expand, then they have to show that that current operation is non-polluting. That they will have to prove first. I can assure the House that I will not allow any expansion unless the current, whatever they have got consent, they prove that it is a zero polluting. It can be brought down to zero pollution.